Hi friends, welcome to our math channel. Sometimes in the important exams, we want to add or subtract the fractions. That purpose, we want to take LCM. Sometimes it takes time. So without using pen paper, orally how to find the LCM and HCM, we will find today in this technique. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. It is boost to me. Let me make many more videos with your encouragement. Okay, please give valuable likes and shares. Okay, suppose you have two numbers. For your understanding purpose, I will write on the board, but this one no need. Without pen paper also orally possible to get answer. Okay. For example, first two denominators are there. In the denominators, you are finding the LCM. Okay. Two denominators are there. Suppose denominators are 4 and 8. Okay. Then big number is divided by small number. Big number only LCM. This only LCM. That's all. Okay. In case not dividing, suppose you have 6 and 8. At the time 8 not divided by 6. At the time take double of 8. Okay. Here double of 8. What I am saying, if suppose the 5 by 6, 7 by 8 like that is there. At the time one find the LCM of denominators. Here suppose 6 and 8 is there. 8 not divided by 6. At the time take double of 8, triple of 8 like that. 8 double, 8 to the 16 not divided by 6. Next 8 3 is 24 divided by 6. So therefore LCM of these two is 24. 8 3 is like that. 8 plus 8 16. No. 8 3 is 24 like that. Okay. Like that you take. That's all. You orally possible to get LCM on the spot. Okay. For example, you have three numbers. Suppose you have 2, 4, 8 like that. Means 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 8 like that is there. At the time you want to find the LCM of all denominators. At the time also, here observe big number. What is the big number here? 8. 8 divided by 2, yes. 8 divided by 4, yes. Therefore, this one 8 only LCM, that's all. No need to calculate. At the time, when both numbers are divided by 2, small number, the small number only HCF. HCF also will get easily. I will explain with many more examples. Okay? Observe. Observe one more this example. Suppose LCM of, you want to find in the different kind, okay? Suppose you have 1 by 3, 1 by 9, okay, 5 by 6, like that is there. At the time, how to find? Now, LCM of 3, 9, 6 and 18 is how much? At the time, you want to find LCM in any case, at the time, observe the big number. Among this big number is 18. 18 divided by 3, yes. 18 divided by 9, yes. 18 divided by 6, yes. When you have all the numbers are divided by, all the numbers divide this number, means big number divided by all the numbers, then big number only LCM. If not, you get out. Suppose not dividing, what do I do? Okay, I will say that also. Okay, after here, now suppose we want to find LCM of, okay, 3, 4, 6, 18 like this is there. Okay, means these are all denominators. Okay, in any case, at the time how to find in the competitive exams, in any important exam, you sometimes want to do within less time. The speed technique I will explain. Here also big number 18. 18 divided by 3, okay. 4 not okay. 18 divided by 6. That's why 3 and 6 leave it. Leave this 2. Now observe 18. 18 not divided by 4. At the time take double of 18. 18 double, 18 plus 18 or 18 2 36. 36 divided by 4, yes. 36 divided by 4. That's why 36 only is LCM. Like that, friends. Okay. Suppose most will get two numbers only in the denominator. At the time, how to find? I will say one more. See here, LCM of, we have 10 and 15 like that. Okay. Denominator by 10 by 15 is there. Simple. Here observe the big number. Big number divided by small number? No. Take double of 15. Double of 15, 30. 30 divided by 10, yes. 30 only answer. Like that. Okay. Easy to find LCM. At the time, when this number divided by, big number divided by small number, big number LCM. Otherwise, which are already divided, that leave that numbers, remaining number compare with this. 18 not divided by 4. 18 double, 36. Double, take double of big number. 18 plus 18, 36 divided by 4. That's why 36 only LCM. Like that. Okay. Next, suppose you have LCM of any other number. Okay, suppose you have three numbers 8, 10, 15 like that is there. At the time observe 15 divided by 8. No, 15 not divided by 10. At the time take 15 table, 15 double like that. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 not divided by 8. 30 divided by 10 okay. Okay, next 30 double. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 divided by 8. No. Like that 15 table is select. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, 15 3 ja, 45 no. 15 5 ja, 60. 15 5 ja. Okay. 15 6 ja, like that. Like that go on, proceed with the 15 table. You will get 58 ja, 120 divided by 8. That's all. Okay, at the time 120 is the LCM. Like this friends, orally possible to get. Simply take the double of big number. Okay. See the some more example. Now I will find HCF also. Don't neglect these things, small things, silly things like that. Okay, these small things only saves your time. Really, my dear students, I observed many more years and I saw many exams. So these small things only save your time. Learn this habit to get speed. Okay. Now how to find HCF also I will explain. HCF of two numbers. Okay, suppose you have 2 and 8 like that. Okay, denominators are 2 and 8. At the time, when big number is divided by small number only HCF. This big number only LCM. Remember like that. Okay, well luckily big number divided by small number is HCF, big number is LCM of 2 and 8. Now LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. HCF of 2 and 8 is 2. Like that. Okay. Luckily if dividing. And in case not dividing, suppose you have like this 4 and 6. At the time 6 is not divided by 4. Okay. Take double of 6. 6 big number not divided by 4 means by 1 by 4, 1 by 6 like that is the denominators are 4 and 6. 6 not divided by 4. At the time take double of 6, 12. 12 is LCM. LCM is nothing but 12. Why? Because 12 is divided by 4. Like that. At the time LCM is, HCF is not 4. Observe here how to find HCF. First of all observe the difference. This difference how much? 6 and 4, 2. Okay, 2 is factor of this 2. Then 2 is the HCF. Difference is the HCF when the difference divides this 2. Means 4 divided by 2, 6 also divided by 2. That's why HCF is 2. HCF of these two numbers is 2. Like that. Observe the difference. Difference is very less. 1 is there. Compulsory. 1 only HCF. Okay. Difference 2 is there. Maybe check both are divided by 2 or not. Divided by 2, 2 HCF. Otherwise 1. So no, not getting any HCF. HCF is 1. Means that they are called co-primes. HCF of co-primes is 1. Okay, remember one word, important word. HCF always smaller than small number. LCM always bigger than or equal to big number. Once again listen. Always in this situation about HCF and LCM, remember among the numbers, suppose 2 or more numbers are given. HCF always smaller than or equal to small number. LCM always bigger than or equal to big number. That fix in the mind. In that way you think, okay? HCF is smaller, LCM is bigger. Okay? Least common multiple, that's why bigger. Highest common factor, common factor, that's why smaller or equal to small number. Okay? I will explain some more example. Suppose denominators are like this is there 3, 9, 6, 18, all as we discussed. Okay? At the time, big number divided by all the small numbers. See, big number divided by 3, divided by 9, divided by 6. 18 divided by 3, 18 divided by 9, 18 divided by 6. At the time, this big number only LCM. At the time, as a discussion, okay, according to our discussion, LCM always equal to big number or more than big number. HCF is always less than or equal to small number. Now check. Here, all the numbers divided by 3, remaining numbers are divided by small number only HCF. Check here. 9 divided by 3, yes. 6 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. Therefore, 3 only here HCF. otherwise smaller than 3. Factors of small number means, for example, here 4 is there, 4 not possible at the time. Factors of 4, 2 and 1, like that. Okay. Compulsory minimum HCF 1. Okay. Minimum LCM is big number. Okay. Minimum HCF is 1. Minimum LCM is big number. So LCM always bigger than, more than or equal to big number. HCF minimum 1, maximum small number. Okay, like that. Remember. Suppose I will explain to one more example. Last example. Observe 4 here, 10, 12, 20, like that is that number. Observe here. Here big number 20 divisible by 4. 20 divisible by 10, these two qualified, but 20 not divisible by 12. At the time, take double of 20, 20 double 40, no, 20 to 40 not divisible by 12. This already qualified, leave it. 20 divisible by already 4 and 10, so don't see this two. 20 divisible by 12, no, double 40 not divisible by 2. Triple, 23 is 60, divisible by 2. So LCM is 60, here LCM is 60. Okay, at the time HCF, observe here, I said HCF purpose observe difference, but a small number, check. Small number divides the star not, okay? 10 divided by 4, no. 10 divided by 12 divided by 4, yes. 20 divided by 4, yes. So only 10 not divided by 4. At the time, take factors of 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. That's all. 4 not eligible means compulsory half of the 4, 2. 2, yes, 10 divided by, already this is qualified. No need check. Only 10 divided by 2. So 2 is the HCF. HCF is 2. Once the last, observe this. Already 20 divided by 4, leave it. 12 divided by 4, leave it. But 10 only, 10 alone, not divided by 4. At the time, take half of the 4 or factors of 4. Half of the 4, 2. 2 divides 10. 10 divided by 2. So that's why HCF is 2. That's all. Like that, easy to get orally. For understanding purpose, I wrote here. With a little bit practice, you will get oral poetry. Okay? Okay, friends. I hope you understand well. Please subscribe and share our channel. Give your valuable likes also. It is boost to me. Thank you very much. I make you perfect.